Good morning, local news for Tuesday the 16th of May. The chance to be an extra in an upcoming movie to be shot partly in Wairarapa is coming. Wild Bear Entertainment from Australia will be filming World War I scenes in Masterton for a new Anzac War Memorial Museum opening in France in 2018. Men and women are both required, with filming set to begin on the 25th of May. Scores of primary school children clutching $10 vouchers, eager to choose their own books from more than 15 used, second-hand and antiquarian book dealers, and Anzac Hall was an outstanding feature of the third Featherston Booktown at the weekend. Chair of the Featherston Booktown Trust, Lincoln Gould, estimates the number of visitors to Booktown to be around 4,000, double the crowd at last year's event. He says, "We really enjoyed seeing these school children and their parents out, visiting the bookshops all over Featherston this year." And in sport, the Dalefield women scored a good victory in the weekend, a 5-0 win over Kapiti. It sees them sitting third on the table, while the men's game against Victoria was deferred. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.